What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, after all the craziness that we saw yesterday, where stable coins didn't look so stable, you had different things that were happening in the market overall, but you somehow saw a lot of things that were positive and then negative really, really quickly. And then you saw them positive again, but then you still see those stable coins that really run the entire market that were not looking so great. And I was very, very confused with a lot of other people that were confused as well. We understand that, or the only explanation that we've had was that it was being moved somewhere else. Some people were saying that it was being moved into other altcoins, and that's why you're seeing, or altcoins, and that's why you're seeing a lot of other things that are rising. You're seeing, Ethereum or Bitcoin that's making a little bit of a move compared to USDC or, any other stable coin that has been dropping. Um, and then there was also an explanation that yes, it is being moved, but it's being moved to other stable coins, and that was why you saw, Tether that had a little bit of an increase, or a lot of bit of an increase compared to where it was, really looking at an overall like 3% increase from that dollar, spot. And typically you're staying around a dollar, and people that are investing or buying into a specific stable coin, you're going to see, if you're going in there aggressively, you're going to see that price increase, and seeing it up 3 cents overall. A lot of people were happy with those gains, especially people that bought in at 98 or 99 cents, right? They're gaining a decent amount with a stable coin, and they know that it's very stable. They know that it's going to be a gain nonetheless, and all of that. But with all of those things that were happening, all of the mess that was going on, it's good to see now that we're seeing a little bit of a recovery and things are starting to get kind of back to normal. Don't get me wrong, we're still at a depeg state, but it is getting a little bit better from where it was, every minute of the day, basically. So eventually we'll be back to where we're supposed to be, and the exposure to, SVB is going to be none, basically, at some time. Anyways, guys, let's get into the market. I'm going to show you guys what's happening in the market today. As of 7:34 a.m., I should be posting this somewhere around maybe 8 o'clock, maybe a little bit later. I'm not sure because I have some videos to record and I don't want to put any breaks in between. So, guys, if you could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description for my referral links for different exchanges and credit card referral links. We have all of those down below. But anyways, like I said, let's go into the crypto market. Let's look where things are. Currently, we're seeing the market up about 2%. Yesterday, we saw it up about 1%. So it's great to see that we're starting to recover. Again, it's just confusing that you see stable coins that are depegged, but then the market is not crashing or collapsing. But one notable trending coin that you can see there is USDC, which is up about 5% on the day, which is a good sign. It's great to see. Then you see, if you scroll down here, you're going to see Bitcoin. That is up about 2% today, still down 8% in the last 7 days. Ethereum, that's up about 3% today. So probably seeing a decrease in Bitcoin's dominance by a slight bit, still at basically 42%. So it still is pretty high. So that's not really a problem there. But if you look down again, Tether, that's what I was talking about, where you see everything else that's down. And then you see Tether that's at an increase, or did hit an increase of about 3 cents. And now it's sitting at $1.01, and really has hovered above $1 for pretty much 24 to 48 hours. It's been, seeing a lot of volume that's going into it. So that's really what I'm thinking is happening, is that the money's not coming out of the market, but going into another stable coin, or, going into other altcoins as we see here. But anyways, BNB is up about 1%, 0.7%. Again, USDC is now up 5.49%, up to 96 cents. Now, this was down to 91 cents or even less. I believe it was like 80 cents. Am I right by saying that? In the last 24 hours, last 24 hours shows that it was down to 90 cents. I guess 87 cents was the lowest point. Highest point being $1. So definitely had a little bit of a fall. or a lot a bit of a fall. That's like 13% drop in a stable coin, which you expect to be stable. And that's just because, I mean, the exposure was pretty high. But now you're seeing USDC that's at 96 cents, so that's good to see. XRP, that's at 36 cents. Um, let's see, Cardano, that's down today. So that's an investment that I made at some of these lows. I invested at 30 cents. 30 a high 30 cents, basically where it is. I put more money into it, looking for a decent size gain, and hopefully all of this this whole situation with stable coins and everything kind of falls off. But yeah, everything seems to be getting back to normal. Dogecoin is at 6.2 cents. You're seeing BUSD that's still at $1. You're seeing Solana that's at 4.5% increase. That's something that somebody brought to me. It was like, hey, do you think Solana is a good position? And I did think Solana was a good position. In the last like week or so, we've seen this down to 16 cents, and it's already up $2. So it's not a crazy game, but it is something. Volume is down by 58% though. So yeah, but for me, I really don't have too much exposure to stablecoins. Typically, my stablecoins, I'm buying things like right away. Now, I did hold USDC for a while when I was basically holding about, I think, $4,000 worth before I bought Shiba Inu, which is crazy because I bought Shiba Inu to basically make these gains. Even though Shiba Inu came back down, it didn't drop as much as USDC did for a little bit. And I wasn't concerned. Even if I would have had it, I wouldn't have been concerned because I felt like it was going to make its way back to $1. So I wouldn't have really been concerned, but it's crazy to see how much like kind of luck I am having, because that's not skill at all. No one could have predicted that would have been the case. So it's not skill at all. It's purely based on luck. And I sold, or technically bought, Shiba Inu at a lucky time. I wasn't planning on doing it. I was planning on holding the money in there and maybe day trading some things. And Shiba Inu was a day trade, but a day trade or a swing trade, depending how long it took for that to play out. I didn't think it was going to take a day, but if it did, I would have traded it. But yeah, anyways, the market looks decent today. I'm really happy with the market. I'm going to get into some other things and some other videos if you guys want to see that. Make sure you guys stick around, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on where the market is and how I feel about it. Hopefully we enter more of a bullish state, especially as we go into the 14th, which is going to be the date of, I believe it's the 14th. I'll have to check again, of the CPI data that comes out, and hopefully that's positive, because if it is positive, we see some positivity in the markets. If it's negative, or we see inflation that rises month over month as well as higher than expectation, then I mean, we get into a negative situation. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.